Assalamu alaikum, मैं हूँ Mujahid from Naveed Game. Today we have the Arctis Pro wireless headset. That's a steel series and compatible with PS5. In the box we have Arctis Pro wireless controller. That's the dual wireless for PS4, PC and compatible with PS5. That's the logo of winner, a professional headset in a sea of amateur. And it has 2 batteries and the remote controller. Okay, so let's unbox the Arctis Pro wireless headset. Okay, in the top we have the headset. Okay, that's the headset. That's the logo of SteelSeries. The classic combination of white and black color, black and white. That's made of aluminum and steel frame. That's the steel and that's the aluminum. That's a Bluetooth button, volume up and down. That's the charging port, and the aux cable jack is also available in SteelSeries. And that's the mic. You can see the mic. You can pull it out. Remote controller. Okay, that's the remote controller. If you press, there is an option appear on the screen. Connect this wireless headset to PS5, Ps4, PC, and in the back of it we have SteelSeries and more information. Okay, the last one here is an accessories box. That's the manual box. An accessories box we have. Okay, so we have the cables. That's mobile audio cable, mobile charging cable, USB audio cable and power cable. Okay, so that's the battery, and this set it has 2 batteries, each battery time 10 hour plus 10 hour, and also a swappable battery allow you to charge a battery in the dock while using the other for combined 20 hours of gaming. कि इसकी अगर वेट पे हम बात कर ले तो लग्जरी लाइट वेट एल्यूमिनियम एंड स्टील कंस्ट्रक्शन offer maximum durability and consistent fit. And if we talk about the Bluetooth 2.4G wireless lossless audio for gaming combined with Bluetooth connectivity for mobile devices. That was the video of unboxing Arctis Pro wireless headset. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. लोकेशन जो है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन है. हमारी व्हाट्सएप नंबर, हमारी डिलीवरी भी अवेलेबल है ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान. थैंक यू, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़.